As we all know, the furniture in a home is like meat and potatoes of a meal. Our furniture takes up the major of space and makes our home feel lived in, welcoming, and complete. And if you also believe in living your life to the fullest, then you are in the right place. Hey, you guys, welcome to the Fact Family. So, without any further ado, let's get rolling to our list of some amazing furniture that will essentially blow your mind away. Bring the playground into the boardroom or dining room with this swing table by Duffy London. All the 8 chairs and lampshade are suspended from the 4-poster swing table, which makes it unique and different from the regular usual chair. So if you want to add a little fun to your workplace or dining hall, this one is just perfect for you. A suspended bed that comes down from the ceiling space whenever you want. So when you are tired enough and want to hit the suck, you can push down this bed easily with the help of a remote or switch. I'd say this one absolutely looks futuristic and space saving as well. The companion cube looks great as a standalone piece in your living room and is made for sharing with its 5 hidden seats that detach from the cube walls and stack on the nested metal bases. The padded comfortable tops are plush and enjoyable to sit on for extended stretches of time whenever your companions come over for a dinner. Well, this one is absolutely the future of waste collection, called the Dressler Box. This is an underground automated waste conveying system. And instead of laying anywhere on the busy streets and stinking, the containers remain closed, and the only time a container is in contact is when one needs to. Wine cellars are a luxury that most city dwellers don't accept to find in a home, but soon that might change. Spiral cellars specialize in exactly what their name suggests. Vertical wine cellars that are wrapped around a cylindrical opening beneath your floorboards. This one is ideal for a wine enthusiast. Say goodbye to the painful postures and the laptop overheating. BedChill provides perfect support for your laptop and your back while enabling a healthy posture so you don't have to change your position every few minutes while reading your favorite book or watching your favorite video or series. And with BedChill's tabletop, you can eat and drink in bed with confidence and comfort. What else needed? Look like any other durable armchair you'll find in most living rooms, except the Stir Fitness chair hides the full-size exercise equipment in its integrated drawer, allowing you to convert the living room into a functional home gym in a jiffy. And the best part, there's no way anyone will suspect it's hiding fitness equipment inside, ensuring you get access to a gym at home without the accompanying mess. This system allows you to reclaim your own space. Called the Snapjack, this dining table fits flat on your wall and it hides 4 folding chair as well. Lightweight and super strong, it lets you open up your living space. Easy to install and comes in multiple sizes. This one is an absolute genius. The transforming Kubrick cabinet comes from Chaos Technique. This cleverly designed piece of storage furniture opens and closes in an elegant and unexpected way. Stacks of 12 and 16 boxed Kubricks allow for lower heights and storage more suited to similar collections. Luxury furniture with a sense of theatre for any interior. Weird or super comfortable? I cannot decide which one is it. For those who didn't get it, this weird looking thing is a contemporary sofa that does not follow any traditional design at all. It was designed for minor position change, or you can say for multiple seating positions, perfect for reading in a more relaxed position or watching TV or stuff like that. So this was all from our side. If you really like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Toodles!